So guys, let's start with the sort function. Usually we use sort from the data option where you want to sort a range or a sheet. If you select the data, it will ask me to sort by range. So the same thing can be done using a formula, yeah, where you can sort your data, yeah, based on a certain column and probably show it to an audience. Yes, I'll just shift this columns a bit here because we need more space while we uh, show the data from here to here based on the formula. Let me put, okay, I guess this is enough. So the formula for sorting a particular range is equal to sort, open the brackets, then you have to select a range. Suppose I select guest name, table name, dietary restrictions, and probably sending an invitation. Yeah. Then I have to give the column based on which I want to sort. So these are the columns. So guest name is one column, table number is second column, dietary in a chronological order from left to right. So guest name is the first, table name number is the second, dietary restriction. So suppose I want to sort the column which is second. So I'll just type the table number column has to be sorted. So select data, I need to select the data apart from the heading. So I have to sort column which is second column. Yeah. Then what I have to do? Okay. Whether I want to sort it in ascending or descending. Yeah. So by default, sort is in ascending manner, yeah, which is true. By default, it is true. But if you put it as false, it will sort in a descending manner. So suppose I put the sort as true right now. It will give me ascending order. Yeah. So let's see whether it works. Yeah. You can see the table number has got sorted here. Yeah, and all the records which are relevant to the table number has also got sorted. Okay. So quick way of sorting your data. Or if I say false, I'll see the table number is getting sorted in a descending order. So 3 will come first, then 2, and then here we are. Boom. Yes, so all the records have got sorted based on the numbering or the table number that we have sorted. Now what I can do is, if you remember sort range, we were able to select multiple columns as well. Yes. Same thing can be done in sort function as well. So if I say, so I have to use the same range. I have said second column, it has to be in a descending order. Yeah. Then probably what I can do is 3, yes, no. So what I want is yes to come first. So yeah, again 2, if you can see here, no has come up and yes is going down because of their because they are not sorted. If you put them sorted in a descending order, yes will come first and no will go down. So let's see whether we can achieve it. I will put another condition by saying sort the fourth column in a descending order. Yeah. So the fourth column was sending invitation. Yeah. And false represented descending order. Yeah. I'll say enter. You'll find now 3, the yes has gone up, no has come down. Same way for 2, yes has gone up, no has gone down. Yeah. Whereas 3, 2, 1, this being the primary sort, it is in a proper manner. Yeah. So my first sort is happening on the table number and the second sort is on yes or no. Yeah. So it first sorts the number, gets the number in right position, and then it goes goes to the secondary sort and makes it in the descending order. Then it moves on to the second number. Again, it makes the second sort in the descending order. So this is how you can use sort towards sorting your data. Yeah. I have mostly used sorting along with filter as well. Yeah. So I used to filter my data and then sort my data, which gives me a clean data when I have to use it. Yeah. So you can use it the same way, which I have used it right now. And probably it can help you in the EDA process towards data cleaning and making your data look more nicer. Yeah. Thank you so much.